injured hiker who was lost and stranded for 3 days has been found. The 26-year-old man was airlifted by helicopter to safety. However, what seemed like a straightforward rescue quickly spun out of control.
Oh, finally. Rescued after 3 long days. With no food or water. Oh, I thought I was a real goner down there. Guys, we got a bit of a spinning situation down here. Getting a little dizzy. I seem to be going back down. No, getting faster now. Guys. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, at least we're going the right way again. Whoa. Guys, oh Jesus. What are you guys doing up there? Oh god. Oh, I'm spinning again. Oh yeah. Use your foot, you genius. What's that gonna do? Oh, what are you guys doing? Just pull me up already. Oh Jesus. Oh, going down again. Alright. Fine. Put me back down. I'll take my chances in the desert again. I don't feel so good. I think I'm gonna... Oh god. Oh, it's everywhere. Oh god. Oh, the blood is in my brain. Guys, this isn't very healthy. Make it stop. I think I'm going into orbit. Mach 10. Hey guys, have you seen 2001: A Space Odyssey? I'm seeing colors! Oh yeah, now let's get going. So much for you rescuers. You can suck my taxpayer balls. And I'm unconscious.
That's a lot of vomit for someone who hasn't eaten in 3 days. In other news,